All right, boys and girls, today we're going to practice making 10. So we're talking about 10 friends today. So make sure you put your name at the top. And then I'm going to do a couple with you. So 2 plus what equals 10? If I'm thinking about my 10 friends, it's going to be 8. Okay? So the next one is 6 plus what is 10? What is 6's 10 friend? 6's 10 friend is 4. Now I want you to push pause on the video and try finding the rest of the partners and then push play and check your answers. If you got them right, good job. If you missed a couple, just erase it and fix the 10 friend. Okay, go ahead and push pause. All right, now that you gave it a try, check your answers. This one is 7. This one is 9. 2, 1, 5, 10, 6, and 3. How did you do? If you missed any, fix them, and then turn it over on the back and go ahead and try your Rocket Math Facts.